Daimond AI can run a real AI model directly on your iPhone or iPad with no internet connection and no API key. This is called local AI, and it's available today on a specific set of devices. Let's go through exactly which iPhones support it, how it actually works, and the honest trade-offs before you try it. As of Daimond version 1.6, that's the complete list. If your device isn't on it, nothing is taken away. You still get full access to OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and Groq through your own API keys, exactly as before. Local AI is an additional option on newer hardware, not a requirement to use Daimond at all. Most AI apps, including Daimond's own cloud providers, work by sending your message to a data center and waiting for a response. Local AI skips that trip entirely. The model itself lives on your hardware, so the thinking step happens on your phone's own chip, with no server in the loop for that conversation at all. On supported hardware, local AI runs Google's Gemma 3N model through Apple's MLX framework. There's a one-time model download over Wi-Fi, and after that, it works with zero connection at all, on a plane, in airplane mode, or anywhere with no signal because there's nothing to send anywhere. Local AI actively watches your device's temperature, memory pressure, and battery level, and it respects low power mode. If your iPhone is under real stress, it falls back to your configured cloud provider or simply pauses, rather than push the hardware toward overheating. None of this needs any configuration. It's automatic. So how does local AI actually compare to using OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, or Groq through your own keys? They're both built into Daimond, but they behave pretty differently, and knowing the trade-offs upfront helps you pick the right one for the moment you're in. Local AI runs entirely offline on your device, which means slower responses and shorter, less detailed answers than a cloud model handling the same prompt. Cloud providers answer faster, hold longer conversations, and support Knowledgebase mode, which local AI doesn't do yet. Most people won't pick one and abandon the other. A realistic pattern is local AI on a flight or in a dead zone, and cloud providers the rest of the time. Running a language model on a phone chip instead of a data center GPU has real trade-offs, and we'd rather you know them going in. Local AI takes longer to respond, gives shorter answers, and doesn't hold a long-running thread the way cloud chats can. The in-app help feature and Knowledgebase mode still route to a cloud provider. Local AI doesn't add anything on top of Daimond's subscription because there's no external API call to bill for. Daimond AI itself is $4.99 a month after a 7-day free trial. If you also use cloud providers, those are billed separately by OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, or Groq at their own rates, using your own key. You can use local AI exclusively and never see a provider billing dashboard at all. Switching providers is never all or nothing. You can set local AI as your default and still hand a specific conversation to a cloud provider, per chat, in settings, and switch back again just as easily. Nothing needs to be reconfigured either way. Local AI is best for the moments when you want a genuinely private AI app with no internet requirement and nothing to sign up for, travel, dead zones, or privacy-sensitive conversations. Cloud providers are still the better call for deep reasoning, longer conversations, and knowledge-based lookups. Check whether your iPhone or iPad is on the local AI list, then try Daimond free for 7 days. You'll get full access to local AI on supported hardware, or your own API keys across OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and Groq on every other device. Head to diamondai.com to get started.